Hello. I'll be showing you how to do deliver for dollars today. You would have received a small poster with a YouTube link on it, and this is the video with the from the YouTube link. You're watching it right now. Please watch to the end. Don't just skip ahead to the part that you don't know about. Uh, just watch the whole thing. I literally recorded with a camera in my shirt. Yeah. You'll see me doing the folding of the catalogs if you've received them already. So yeah. So if you're watching this, you maybe have received catalogs. They should appear on your driveway, like your driveway around here, or up here nearby your front door. In our case, it was the front door because it was raining earlier. Might rain again, so it was put on our front door. But normally, it would be on your driveway over there. You just gotta bring that in and initiate folding.
No! 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 Fuck!
Okay, so I'm about to send my brochures. Oh, not too sure whether it'll still record. Yeah. So, when I send, I just take a brochure from my pile, go up to the mailbox, uh, uh, and put it in. It's as simple as that. Don't know whether you're seeing it. Yep, you are. Okay. Yeah, and then just keep on doing that. Just move on. If you have a phone, you should have y-ahh installed. And if you have y-ahh installed, you should be gathering dots as you move around. Those dots represent that you are sending to each and every single house. But as of now, I haven't gotten the contract yet, so I can't gather dots. So yeah. So you just have a bag, like several bags of catalogs, and you're just sending. Just go to each and every single house and send. Pull up a brochure, and send. Put it in the technical mailbox. Well, that's it for now. I'm gonna record next time I send.
Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah!